Hi Richard, nice to see you again. Amazing.
Good to see you. I'm really happy to be here again, Peter.
Thank you. And as promised, I've got something for you.
Oh, what's that?
Here you go.
Oh, awesome. You've got your boxes made?
Yeah, they're all done.
Great.
They're all ready. They're ready to rock and roll. So we've got our boxes, which are sort of, in a nice white color, just to show the general cleanliness of testing DNA, etc. With our logo, and every box comes with this sealed ribbons, which means that the box is brand new and hasn't been opened. So what we'll do normally, you'll take it off, one and the second one, so the security ribbons, and that's our box. So inside you've got your swabs, which come in a return box, and inside you get the return envelope, prepaid return envelope as well.
Awesome.
So every client sends it, free of charge. So we're gonna go into it in a second. And this is our envelope, which contains all the additional information. And we also have the clear bag for the swabs to go in, because it has to be returned in 3 separate packaging options. So you've got the swabs, the bag, and the box, which obviously creates the three level security for the genetic material to be safe. And in here we've got our manual. So this explains how to perform the test. It contains 10 points, and all the points are referenced with a little icon to just explain better to visual clients. And also we've got a how to do section on our website, whereby you can basically click on an animation movie, and it explains step by step as well for the visual people as well. So nice. That's us. So this is the box, and this is our little manual.
Really nice.
Also, we've got 2 copies of a consent form, and this is very important because GDPR came into action recently. But it's not only that; it's also for us very important to protect clients and dealing in DNA and genetic material. It's so personal that we want to make sure that we have full level security on this. So each box comes with the individual barcode, and this code basically is you. So after registering the swabs and the box online on our website, you are basically being recognized by this number, which obviously makes sense to protect your identity and your details. Also, the same number is on them 2 copies of consent form. So 1 copy is for you, which needs to be filled in by yourself, that you're giving us permission to test your DNA, and the second copy is for us, and we keep it on file just in case we have a visit from HMRC or any other controlling body. So we have approved that you're giving us consent as well. And also we've got 2 sets of gloves. And it's important to use 1 glove for 1 swab and the second glove for the second swab, just because we want to avoid any potential contamination. So if for whatever reason 1 glove was contaminated, you touch a surface which was covered in bacteria, etc., was doing the swab, you have the other chance or other go on the second swab with the separate pair of gloves to obviously perform the testing. So we want to make sure that everything gets done to the letter, and obviously there is no needed repetition of swabbing and retesting. And this is the pièce de résistance, which is our small box, return box. It's cute as well, I think.
Yeah, it's nice, really nice.
So, and inside you've got 2 separate swabs, which also, if you notice, come with the individual barcodes, which all the numbers, all the barcodes obviously are linked, and this is the same barcode representing you. And when this arrives in the lab, we know that this is you, and we will test, and we know to whom deliver the results after. So Any questions at this stage?
Oh, no, everything's perfect, to be honest. It's all very nicely presented, and your manual's easy to follow. You've got 10 simple steps which anybody could follow, and as you said, it's on your website as well. I think the branding and packaging is pretty awesome, to be honest. It's
fantastic. So what I'll suggest next time, maybe it'll be nice if this is okay with you to show the public, how to perform the correct swabbing.
Yeah.
So till next time, I'll give the box to you so you can read the manual, fill the consent, of course. And next time when we see each other, we'll do the swabbing, and then we'll send the result, your swabs to the lab to get your results.
Perfect.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a great day then.
Thank you.
Cheers.